If you've ever opened Grammarly and wondered what those colored underlines actually mean, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down the Grammarly error meaning in the simplest way possible, so you can understand exactly what each suggestion is telling you, and how to use it to improve your writing faster. And if this video helps, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Now let's get into it. First, let's talk about the red underlines. Red is all about correctness. These are the issues Grammarly treats as objective mistakes, meaning they usually break language rules. For example, if you have a spelling error, a missing comma, or the wrong verb tense, Grammarly will highlight it in red. Think of red as the most direct kind of warning. It is telling you, this sentence contains something that needs fixing. If you see a red underline, your first job is to review the text carefully and correct the grammatical or spelling issue. Next are the blue underlines. Blue is all about clarity. These suggestions are not usually about a hard rule being broken. Instead, Grammarly is trying to make your writing easier to read and understand. It may flag sentences that are too wordy, passive voice that feels unclear, or phrasing that makes your meaning harder to follow. Blue underlines are especially useful when you want your writing to sound smoother, cleaner, and more direct. So if Grammarly highlights something in blue, ask yourself, can I say this in a simpler or clearer way? Now let's move to the green underlines. Green stands for engagement. This is Grammarly's way of helping you keep your writing interesting and varied. It may point out repetitive words, overused vocabulary, or sentences that could be stronger with more precise language. For example, if you keep using the same adjective or verb over and over, Grammarly may suggest alternatives to make your writing more vivid and engaging. Green underlines are especially helpful for content creators, marketers, students, and anyone who wants their writing to feel more polished and compelling. Then we have the purple underlines. Purple is all about delivery. This category focuses on tone. Grammarly uses purple suggestions to check whether your writing sounds professional, polite, confident, friendly, or maybe too casual or too harsh for your audience. For example, if you're writing an email to a client, Grammarly may suggest a more professional tone. If you sound too blunt, it may recommend softer wording. Purple underlines help you make sure your message matches your purpose and your audience. So, to summarize it simply, red means correctness, blue means clarity, green means engagement, and purple means delivery. Once you learn these 4 colors, Grammarly becomes much easier to understand, and you can make better writing decisions much faster. A great tip is not to just click every suggestion automatically. Instead, read each one and think about why Grammarly is making that recommendation. Sometimes the suggestion is perfect, and sometimes your original wording is actually better for your situation. The more you understand the meaning behind each underline, the more control you have over your writing. And that's the full Grammarly error meaning, explained in a quick and easy way. If this helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next tutorial for more simple software breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.